Have you ever wondered how apps like Netflix or Spotify serve millions of users around the world without crashing, or how startups scale from a handful of users to millions overnight? The answer? AWS. More specifically, AWS Architecture. Today, we're breaking it down in the simplest way possible. No jargon, no fluff, just a clear, beginner-friendly guide that'll make you say, "Now I get it." What is AWS Architecture? Think of AWS like a digital Lego set. Each piece is a service: storage, computing, databases, networking, and you mix and match to build your app, just like stacking Legos. But it's all virtual. You don't buy servers or set up cables, you just pick the services you need and connect them. That's what AWS Architecture is, how all these services fit together to run your app in the cloud. Let's start with the basics. Compute is the brain of your app. AWS gives you EC2, a virtual machine you rent by the hour. Run your website, your backend, whatever you need. Storage is handled by S3, Simple Storage Service. It's where your files, backups, images or videos live. Whether it's 10 photos or 10 terabytes, S3 can handle it. Networking comes from VPC, your virtual private cloud. It's your app's own space on the internet, where you control who gets in and out. Your app likely needs a database. AWS gives you RDS, a fully managed service where you can launch a MySQL or PostgreSQL database in minutes. Working with big data, you've got Redshift for warehousing and Athena to run SQL queries directly on data in S3. No need to set up servers, just query and go. But if your app suddenly goes viral, auto-scaling steps in to spin up more EC2 instances as traffic increases. And elastic load balancing spreads user traffic across those instances, so none of them get overwhelmed. These tools make your app resilient, fast, and ready for growth, automatically. AWS takes security seriously. Identity and access management controls who can access what. Your devs might access the code, but not the billing dashboard. Security groups and network ACLs work like firewalls, keeping your infrastructure safe from unwanted traffic. Let's say you're launching a web app. The front is stored in S3 and served via CloudFront for fast global delivery. The back-end API runs on EC2 inside of VPC. Data lives in an RDS database. An elastic load balancer distributes traffic. IAM keeps permissions tight and auto-scaling grows with your traffic. That's a real AWS architecture, and it powers startups and Fortune 500 companies alike. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to AWS architecture. From virtual machines to secure networks and scalable storage, AWS gives you everything you need to build powerful cloud apps. If this helped you understand the big picture, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and let me know what topic you want next. EC2 deep dive? VPC explained? Drop it in the comments. This is just the start of your AWS journey, and I'll be right here to guide you through it. See you in the next video.